Next naman po ay si Shane.
Well, once again we have
Butterfly Fairy.
Halloween. Man, it seemed like only a couple months ago we had it before. Oh, look at this one here.
Next naman po si JJ. Ang bilis naman.
Like a little devil.
Post kayo para mapicturean.
A little shy devil,
Next
huh?
naman po ay si Matt.
There you go.
Egypt. Mukhang galing pa sa United Nations.
There's always a lot of witches.
Akala ko United
I mean,
Nations.
what do you expect on Halloween, but and a little vampire.
Next po ay si Martin. Siya po ay Jabuakis. Nice pose. Yeah, next naman po ay si Ted. Ayan. Isa po siyang mumo. Next naman po ay si Lance. Isa po siyang vampira na nag-iigib.
A little costume contest.
Ayan, next naman palakpakan natin si Kyle. Ayan, isa rin po siyang Dracula. Post kayo sa gitna ng matagal. Next naman po ay si Andre, isa pong attorney at nadali ng hit and run. Post ang... Next naman ay si Marcus. Ayan, isa po siyang barbero din. Next naman po ay si Lovely, post Lovely ng matagal. Ayan, isa po siyang bruha.
Hi. Hello. Oh, look at that, all bandaged up.
Next naman po ay si Ryan. Inutusan na po yung bumili ng suka. Pumunta rito. Next naman ay si John Day. Nagalan nyo naman yung post nyo. Nahingayata kayo sa camera. Ayan, next naman
They changed the time this year. Last year was at night. It was very hard to get any video or anything. They changed it to daytime now.
Ayan. Next naman po ay si Chris.
Hard to get any video.
Si Elmo, ngayon po siya na yung Momo. Ano natakot? Anong pangalan niya po? Isha. Okay, next po ay si Isha. Takot po siya sa clown.
Well, Myra put a mask on and she went to see Darius, and now we won't even look at her anymore. She comes in even without the mask and she freaks.
Tingin ka naman. Sige, hindi kami nakatingin. Si Superwoman, takot sa clown. Okay, next naman po ay si Rara. Isa po siyang Princess Sarah.
The way you do it causing jealousy.
Wala na po, wala na. Ito naman lang po.
They try to do it like you. And they get mad cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nag-rampa. Ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo at nag-picture kayo ng maayos ng inyong mga parents.
Pretty good showing.
So once again, palakpakan natin ang ating mga model. Ayan.
This Saturday.
So don't worry po, no, yung effort po ninyo ay hindi mawawala ng halaga. Kasi po mamaya, pipili kami ng best costume. Dalawa po. Isang babae saka isang lalaki. So hanggat maaari po, wag huhubarin yung mga costume.
Holy mackerel, that
po, during the day. During the party or the program po, i-judge pa rin namin kayo. So wag po tatanggalin ng mga costume. Isang panalo, isang lalaki, isang babae.
That's a rough one there. Holy mackerel.
So magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Bago ko makalimutan, papakilala ko ang aking sarili. My name is Willie and I will be your clown, your host and magician for today. And together with me is John John, and ating assistant na clown magician.
That's powdered candy they have in this draw.
Ayan, sige, habang iniintay si Pangulo, gusto nyo ba maglaro na tayo? Ayan, sige, maglalaro tayo habang iniintay si Pangulo. Sino gusto nyo ng prize? Okay. Okay, andun din pala yung prize.
Haya-haya kung hirap mo. Ayaw magpapabangin pa. Hindi, nasyoswal. Tapos sumasayaw ha. Tapos sumasayaw si Ina. That's Ina.